Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. So as you know, I got a pickup from Supreme. This is Sekintani La Norihiro. One is Supreme T, black one, size medium for $44. The other one is Sekintani La Norihiro Supreme long sleeve tee. It's a light pink color, extra large for $48. And then that one is Sekintani La Norihiro Supreme skateboard deck, 8.25 inch by 32.25 inch, the yellow color. The size is 8 1/4. Retail price for that one is $60. So total is $152 plus $10 shipping, and then total is tax is $13.30. So the total damage is $175.30. So I ordered everything at once. So I'm not sure why they ship it separately. So let's go ahead and cut this open. So like always get this nice white shopping bag with the red BOGO. Wow. So I got this sticker pack for the collaboration. What's in here? Oh, this is the one with the Japanese writing. And then the other one is the artwork. I'm going to show the artwork. Okay. And then you got the red box logo. So and this is Sekintani T. That is the barcode right there. See, spring summer season 19. Item number is T46. I guess T stands for T-shirt, 46. And then black color, size medium. So you got this Ziploc bag. Got the Supreme box logo right there. So I'm not sure if they fold this up differently. It's kind of weird because it's and then they didn't put the tissue. Well, there's nothing on the back, so it should be okay. Well, yeah, there's something designed on the back. Normally they would put like a tissue paper. So I'm not sure what is Japanese writing on the back here. Maybe mean Supreme or something in Japanese, or Japanese writing. If anybody that's Japanese, please drop a comment on below and see what's the translation on this. And then here's a design on the left hand side of the chest, which is pretty big. And then this is size medium, Supreme, pretty strong, 100% cotton, made in USA. Be sure you have 100% cotton right there, and then your RN number, and then this is the wash tag. I don't know, somehow this size medium is so wide. I'm not sure this time around the Supreme, they run big now or what's going on. So let's get that one out of the way. Let's go ahead and open this one. Going on. Again, you got this nice shopping bag. That is cool. I order everything in one, so now I got like 2 sticker pack now, and then 1 Redbox logo again. So I'm glad I picked this one up. By the time I check out and go back and look at browsing around, this one was sold out. Sekintani long sleeve tee, light pink, that is the barcode number, and then season spring summer 19. This one is the T46 and extra large. Again, on this side, get the Supreme box logo. Let's go and then open this up. Supreme pre-strung again, 100% cotton, made in USA. Make sure your size is in a bold font, so you know it's legit, and the color is red. Again, make sure you have 100% cotton right there on the top, and then an iron number on the bottom. Wow, this is pretty big. So you got this Japanese writing on the right hand side, okay, toward the bottom. So let's go and then open the skateboard deck. Wow, look at that. Well, there's a picture right there. I cannot show you guys. It's like an X-rated. Wow, it's pretty nice. And on this one, the top deck, you got the world famous and then a red box logo right there. Oh, I was checking out the sticker. There's no sticker. I said, what happened to the sticker? So it is in this shopping bag. It's kind of weird. Normally they put the box logo sticker inside the saran wrap. So I'm not sure why this time they didn't put it inside. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notification or drop in a comment on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.